Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. How are you guys doing? How are you? So I'm back today guys with another reaction video to the group UN1TY. UN1TY. This is an acapella melody that they will be giving us. So I can't wait to see what they're gonna be giving us. Live vocals, live vocals, live vocals, live vocals, live vocals.
Ku nikmati cinta sendiri dulu, membiarkan aksara asmara bercanda padaku. Kamu belum seutuhnya coba cintaku, walau harus masih ku tunggu dirimu meninggalkan dia yang bukan untukmu.
Yo, UN1TY. Oke,
UN1TY.
let's go.
Sudah jangan pikir-pikir lama-lama, cintaku untukmu sudah lama-lama terbenam di dada. Dirimu untuk jadi
Okay.
yang paling utama di hatiku, dan jadi juara di hidupku. Pendamping hidupku hanya kamu.
Satu.
Dari sisa hidupku, kamu aku jadi satu selamanya. Kiss, 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 kiss. Oh, kiss, kiss, kiss me now. Jadi dari yang harus ku miliki, seperti mentari dan pagi selalu melengkapi. Dia bidadari yang buat jatuh hati, ku bagai pangeran rumah hati, cinta sejati. So
The one with the hat.
teruskah ku kan begini, teruskah ku kan selalu sendiri, hidup di dalam hampa, mencinta dan dicinta, tiada.
Apa yang kau mau, semua ada di depan matamu. Jika kau tak biarkan orang ganggu hatimu. So
Mudah nyanyikan na 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 na, no mellow.
I like this. It's so cute.
Anggap aja mudah nyanyikan.
Oh my, how the internet has changed. Have changed. Oh, he's cute.
Pastikan banyak mencerita bahagia hidupmu ya kan. Jaga dirimu, cuma kamu yang bisa tentukan jalanmu. No mellow.
Okay. Thank you, UN1TY. Thank you guys so much for that beautiful acapella melody you guys did. That was so cute. Oh, the one in the hat though can get it anytime he wants. So that was the group. Come on, iPop Indonesia. Yes. So thanks to the ones who recommend reacted this. Thank you so much for bringing iPop to me. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. For whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Deuce.